Application dashboard page gives you the control over the whole process of building your iPhone application, customizing it, and preparing for App Store submission. So at any point in the process of building your iPhone application, notice that on the top you have a link to the dashboard of your application, and you can come back to this central page and decide where you want to go next, deleting or adding more pages, working on your design, or once you are done customizing, you can go and work on App Store submission information like description and keywords. So the last step in the process of building your iPhone application is to click on Prepare for Release. What this means is that the Seattle Cloud's developers team will take over your application and submit it to App Store. So let's go through the step-by-step process and take a look at each of these tools. Edit pages. So the template that I'm using for this demo has 4 pages, 4 tabs. To add more pages, I can use the plus sign, type in the name of a new page, click on Create, and the new page was created. To delete this page, click on the minus sign and the page is deleted. Very easy. To start editing the page, just click on the Edit button. Editing a page is as easy as editing a Word document. On the left side you have a toolbox with all these tools that are very easy to use and are very well known, like align left, center, right, change the text color, change the text size, add a link, add images, YouTube videos, and even Google Map links. Once you are done editing this page, save and click the Done button. In this template, I have a gallery of images from Flickr. This gallery is actually a mobile page. Let's see how a mobile page looks like. Click on the Edit button, and as you can see, I used a mobile page from Flickr. This is the page URL that I used, m.flickr.com. Usually all mobile pages have m letter in front. So you can click on the icons below and choose from the most popular mobile web pages. Again, make sure you save and click on the Done button. One more thing I want to show you is that so if you changed your mind and you don't want your second page to be a mobile page, you have the option to convert it into a different page. All you need to do is to click on the Edit button, and here you have the option Convert, and I will convert this page into an HTML. Click on Convert, so you have lots of functionality with your pages. Now let's go back to our dashboard and let's look at the next step, Design Properties. You can get really creative with your application, but because you have the option to change all the icons of your application, you also have the option to change the background image. And you can use either an image from our gallery, or you can upload your own file. So I will use an image from the gallery. Choose and make sure you click on apply changes. So this is how the new background looks. Let's go back to dashboard. The next step, App Store properties. The App Store properties page is directly related to the way your application will look on the App Store. That's why it's very important that you pay attention to each of these elements and each of the descriptions you have to fill in, because this is what the user, your users, your fans are going to see when they open the App Store. So starting with the icon, this is the icon that will show up on the App Store next to your application name. This icon, the 512 by 512, is a high resolution image that has to be exactly the same image as the small icon. The Apple requirement is that it should be a square shape, no rounded corners. Next image is the splash screen image. This is the first image that your users will see when they open your app. The splash screen image has to have the following size: 320 by 480. Once you are done editing the App Store description and the App Store keywords, which are very important because this is how your users will find your application, by these keywords, make sure you select a category for your application and click the Save button. So finally, after building, designing, customizing, and editing your application, you can prepare for release and submit to App Store.